morning. My name is Frank from Joliet, Illinois, on WJOL 1340 AM. Just heard about your show. First time I listened to it. Pretty interesting. And I have issues with tomatoes in the summer when they turn red. We have the tribe of squirrels that love to come by and eat them up or just chew holes in them and leave. So I put chicken wire around them once they get red, and then they get all scratched up trying to get in there. And I was using coffee grounds on potted plants to keep squirrels away. Also, now we have deer that come up from the lowland, and they pull the plants right out of the ground when the tomatoes are still green. And I'm really getting bent out of shape over both of these situations, and I don't know if there's a situation or what I can put on them or detour them. But yeah, I'll be listening to the show now weekly that I know it's on. Thanks for your knowledge.
Well, we thank you, Frank, for calling in. That's a new station we've picked up, WJOL 1340 out of Joliet. Hello to all of you down there. And we can help you, Frank. We've got a couple of solutions to your problem. One for the deer. You can use Deer Defeat at deerdefeat.com. You can use code RADIO to save 10% off your order. It's an all-natural deer and rabbit and groundhog application. It's all natural. You spray it on. You don't smell it after 30 minutes, but the animals can smell it for up to 30 days after rain, snow, sleet, freeze. It's still there. You will have to reply it after a certain amount of time, but we've got listeners that swear by this, and they use it time and time again, and they have a garden that you can, it's picture perfect. Now, for the squirrels, Holly, many people may say firearms would be the answer, but some people choose not to do that. So There are other ways in which to keep them or detour them from getting in the garden.
Right. So you can dilute cayenne pepper, hot pepper, spicy pepper in some water and vinegar, I believe. And then you would spray that on the plants, all around the plants. You can spray it on the plants, all around the plants, etc., because it's not going to harm the plants itself. If you do get some on the tomatoes, you want to make sure you rinse those off well before you, say you have green tomatoes, not ripe tomatoes, then you want to rinse those off before you consume them, because otherwise it could be a spicy surprise. Otherwise, another thing that could be helpful is sometimes those squirrels, little pests are looking for water source, and that's why they eat the tomatoes. So you could give them a water source in a different part of the yard. Yeah, there's a number of different applications to apply in different types of levels of chili powder, hot, spicy stuff, because the squirrels they can pick up that capillary. They have that sensory, and they don't like that heat. That's why in cases of them getting in your bird feeder, you would mix bird feed or bird seed with cayenne pepper, because the birds cannot taste that heat. The squirrels can, and they'll go to your neighbor's bird feeder and eat their bird feed instead of yours. So we hope that will help you, and best of luck to you with those situations, and they'll get better.